It's now time to install your new wood floor. Wood flooring requires expansion gaps of at least 1/4 inch around the perimeter of the room. Remember to install spacers along the expansion gaps, including any moldings and along transitions at doorways and between different flooring types. When it comes to cutting your wood flooring, you'll need to choose the right saw and blades for the job. Depending on the board length and the shape that you need to cut, there are many saws to choose from. Blades come in a variety of types, ranging from 18 to 80 teeth per blade, depending on the type of cut you want to make and wood that you are cutting through. When cutting around vertical obstacles like cabinets and fireplaces, use a contour or slide gauge to get the most accurate measurements. Measuring from the end of the previous board in that row will establish the beginning point of marking the cut board. Then, measure the distance of the obstacle you are cutting around, both vertically and horizontally, from the board on the inside that is installed on the row you just completed. Add that measurement to the existing mark for distance from the prior board, plus the expansion gap requirement on each side. Then, you are ready to cut. Cutting around piping requires a bit more experience. With a drill, cut the board within the circle at the halfway point. Use adhesive like tongue and groove glue or urethane construction adhesive to rejoin them in place around the pipe. Wipe away any excess and tape the boards in place with painter's tape until the adhesive dries. It's very important to keep the installation square and sight lines straight, especially when you have long, continuous runs. One of the ways to ensure this is by using the proper tools to avoid gapping, such as a pole bar and tapping blocks. There are 3 installation methods when it comes to wood flooring: float, glue, and nail. For a variety of floor installation and maintenance materials, visit your local Floor & Decor and at flooranddecor.com.